Hey guys, it's volatile here with another video. Welcome to this video. So, like a month ago, a couple of months ago, I covered Ethereum Classic. People liked that video. I think that there are not a lot of YouTubers covering Ethereum Classic, and I'm not saying that I'm here, expert, standing in the throne here and anything like that. I'm just normal human being, and I like to record YouTube videos, and I like to talk about cryptocurrencies. It's pretty simple, so that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, so basically what I would like to hear from you before we start this video is just comment down below your current thoughts about Ethereum Classic, because in this video I will share my thoughts, but more importantly I would love to hear your thoughts, because basically what crypto markets are is people are buying and selling, right? So, and how do you make money with cryptocurrencies? Is you buy low and you sell high, right? So that means that your opinion is very valued here, okay? Because we are part of the markets, and if we can like foresee what other people are thinking about in like a huge collective, then we can assume that people really think that Ethereum Classic is going to go up, and it's currently priced this way. Maybe I should buy it because in the future it will go up. Okay, I think that those kind of like I think that that's also very important, because cryptocurrencies, if you look at, for example, YouTube videos, YouTubers, every time like big YouTuber talks about coin, it will pump. So if you can get into those coins before the YouTuber creates the video, you can just print money on demand basically. But of course it's not that easy. But I think that the Ethereum Classic has some huge potential here, just because guys, it's Ethereum Classic, right? So even though the use case is not the best one, I don't even know, quite to be frank, I don't even know if there's any kind of use case. But guys, it's Ethereum Classic, built in stable applications. So I think that in just sense, Ethereum Classic will pump just because it is, and it hasn't pumped. It's just crazy. It's crazy that I'm saying this, but I do believe that it will pump just because it hasn't pumped. That is no reason to pump, but currently the markets are pretty not like not much logic there, so we are just going to see what's going to happen. So Ethereum under $1 is a steal, $100 is a steal. Let me know Ethereum starts pumping hard. In the meanwhile, retweet. And I think that in the last video I said Ethereum, I can see Ethereum Classic going to 50 to 100 bucks, something like that. I do believe that was some kind of like that kind of prediction, and I still believe that. Ethereum Classic has started pumping a little bit. Same with these other coins, like 2017 coins. There's a lot of coins from 2017 that still haven't pumped, and the projects are pretty huge. I think that those are the biggest opportunities right now, to be honest with you. And Ethereum Classic is 2017 coin, of course, like 2016, 2017, it's Ethereum Classic, but the same thing, at the same time, there's not that much, there's still these, problems. Let's call them, let's say like hiccups on the road. Let's say something like that. Okay, so there's still little hiccups with Ethereum Classic, so I don't know if that's going to affect the price. But currently I'm not invested in Ethereum Classic. I don't feel confident investing in Ethereum Classic because, first of all, it's not in my area of competence. It's not something that I can be, like I said, I'm not expert of Ethereum Classic. I just create this video because I think that it's funny to document this. And yeah, so with that being said, the last all-time high, $42. I think that we can just absolutely crush that, to be honest with you. Because the bull market, I can see that we are like 50% down with the bull market, and there's just going to be massive gains. And when new money flows into this, and when the sentimental just narratives change, Ethereum Classic could just see huge price action just because it's Ethereum Classic, okay? And new people who come in here, they have no idea what is Ethereum Classic. People have no idea what is Ethereum Classic and what is Ethereum. When they come to the page, they see Ethereum Classic, it's $19, and Ethereum is $2,000. I think that some people just buy it, And You can buy it currently on Binance, which means that Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, which means that the liquidity is very huge, meaning that when people want to buy it, they can easily access and buy it. It's also on Huobi Global, which is huge, OKX. It's on these big exchanges. I love to see that. I think that that will have a huge effect on price. I definitely believe that. Not financial advice, it's just my opinion. So ETC has pumped somewhat already, and people start to get hyped about it. Like a month ago, nobody was talking about the Ethereum Classic. When I did the video, like I think that like, there wasn't many videos. That video got a lot of views because I think that there was just nobody did videos about the Ethereum Classic. But now there's some people starting to talk about it on Twitter. The hype starts building up for Ethereum Classic. I would love to know what's happening with the. If somebody can just tell me like in a couple of sentences like what's happening with the Ethereum Classic. Is there any like updates or what, like what's the use case? What's like you know what I'm saying? Like compared to Ethereum and these other competitors. I would love to know because I'm not that tech savvy, and you know I do so many videos and I don't like Ethereum Classic. I don't want to, you know, use like 5 days to study out about Ethereum Classic. I just don't feel that way. Maybe it's stupid, but you know, there's just so many more. There's just the opportunity cost at this point is huge. So maybe I will, you know, do some research at some point. Who knows? Anyway, Ethereum Classic. So Cardano train is about to leave the station for $2. Cardano train. Is there Ethereum Classic train? Just discovered Ethereum Classic. Yeah, I think that people just don't know what it is, and people will start buying it. I think that that's pretty funny, and I think that if you have been holding Ethereum Classic, you totally deserve all the gains that there's to come. I just believe that 100% because it's been pretty rough for Ethereum Classic. I must say that. Same with every cryptocurrency on, you know, on the bear market. But Ethereum Classic was very interesting. There was it's very crazy. Anyway, yeah, I really need to do more research on Ethereum Classic. Like I would love to know like what's there. Not in the sense like how I know how like what it is or how it works, but I would love to know like what's if you compare Ethereum Classic with the current like for example Dot or Binance chain, Cardano. If you just like what's the angle, what's the edge that Ethereum Classic has? Like what is that like competitive edge that would make them like better, or is it just 100% because it's Ethereum Classic, it's the original Ethereum? Is that what drives the value up? That could be also, like, who knows, but because the markets are very crazy currently. So this is a very hard one for me to wrap my head around. But anyway, I know this video was pretty lame and pretty like random, but I hope that you found some value on this video. I still want to record this even though Ethereum Classic is pretty hebrew to me, so but I still think that it can easily go to $100 easily. But anyway, no price, so no financial advice, just my opinion. I'm documenting my cryptocurrency journey. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and thank you so much for your support, and see you in the next videos, guys. Okay.